Hello friends, welcome to ANBG study group. In this video I am going to share you CTET paper 2 December 2021 practice test series. This is the fourth test series. In this I am going to share you 10 questions from the science section. These questions are very helpful for this upcoming CTT exams, DSSSB exams, Karnataka TET exams, Kendriya Vidyalaya school teacher exams, and even this will be very helpful for all the states teacher eligibility exams. Dear friends, subscribe our channel and press the bell button, share to your friends. We'll start the question now. From this topic, you will get 3 to 5 questions. First question: yoga is done by the people in the world because it keeps people healthy, it increases hunger, it brings happiness, it is a simple exercise. Here, if you see PCD options, these all three options will come under this one. It increases hungriness, it brings happiness, it is a simple exercise. This all will comes under this, means this it keeps people healthy. So option A is the right answer. Question number 2: which of the following sets contains only the units of measuring distance? Here we know the cubit, year, light year. Option B, cubit, meter, light year, meter, hertz, cubit, meter, light year, hertz. Here this option, this will not come, and this also will not come. Only we have to see option A and B, because hertz is the unit of frequency. Here we know year also will not come. Year is the measurement of time. So option B is the right answer. Cubit, meter, light year. Here 1 cubit is equal to 18 inches. 1 cubit is equals to 18 inches. So option B is the right answers. Meter is also measuring for length, and light year also for this measuring the distance. So option B is the right answer. Question number 3: which of the following are examples of non-contact force? Muscular force, gravitational force, magnetic force. Here magnetic force and muscular force are, these are contact force. Only the gravitational force is a non-contact force. So option B is the right answer. Why are the soles of the shoes threaded? Here to decrease the friction, to increase friction, to increase the life of the shoes, to give the shoes more protection. Here option B is the right answer. To increase the friction and to get grip over that surface, soles of the shoes threaded. So option B is the right answer, to increase the friction. Question number 5: Rama cycles to a friend's house 5 kilometers away to deliver a packet. She goes to he goes to a speed of 12 kilometers per hour and returns at a speed of 2 kilometers per hour. His average speed during the whole trip is, here we are having the same simple formula. Average speed is equal to 2 into AB divided by A plus B. Here 2 into 12 into 8 divided by A plus B, means 12 plus 8, it will become 20. This will get the answer 9.6, that is 9.6 kilometers per hour is the average speed during the whole trip of that Rama. Which of the following is correct? A boy sitting in a moving train is, option A is at rest with respect to his fellow passengers. This is right. In motion with respect to houses parallel to the railway track. So option C is the right answer, both A and B. Question number 7. Gaurav wants to accelerate a body of mass 2 kg at 10 km per second square. On the other hand, Sahil wants to get accelerate a body of mass 5 kg at 2.5 meter per second square. Who will need to apply more force? Here we are having the formula F is equal to ma. Yes, by this formula we'll get Gaurav F, what is the mass there? 2 into acceleration 10 is equal to 20 Newton, and Sahil 5 kg into 2.5 is equal to 12.5 Newton. So answer is A is the right answer, 20 Newtons. Means Gaurav, he needs to apply more force. Option B is the right answer. When bus suddenly starts, the standing passengers lean backward in the bus. It is an example of an example of Newton's first law. This is right answer. Here, I think all you might have the experience. If you are sitting in a bus or any vehicle, if it suddenly stops, then people sitting inside that vehicle, you lean forward, or if vehicle starts suddenly, the person who are sitting inside that vehicle, he will lean backward. So this is an example for Newton's first law. The standing passengers lean backward in the bus. This is an example of Newton's first law. Here options are not given. Stones A, B, C and D of the same masses are thrown on a wall. Acceleration produced in them are 2 meter per second square, 3 meter per second square, 5 meter per second square, 4 meter per second square respectively. Arrange the force exerted by the stones. Descending order they are given. We know the formula F is equal to ma. By this formula we can write all the objects having the same mass. So we can write in this maximum is 5 is the 5m, 4m, 3m and 2m. Here 5m is greater than 4m, 4m is greater than 3m and 3m is greater than 2m. This is the right answer. The SI unit of calorific value is, that is joule per kilogram. The SI unit of calorific value is joule per kilogram. Option D is the right answer. Thank you friends for watching the video. We'll meet in the next video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell button, share to your friends.